Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another interesting topic about Geeksforgeeks Elite batch. In this program, they have a special announcement about Learn and Earn as well as internship and placement for 2020-2021 batch. About this Elite batch, it's a skill-oriented course with learning, and there will be a monthly stipend during your learning period and also in the internship time, and you will be receiving internship as well as full-time placement with Geeks for Geeks. Absolutely, there is no fee for this program. Now we'll see what is Elite Batch. So its Elite Batch is 6 months intensive program for learning. So mainly tech and non-tech skills will be taught, and they have a well-planned curriculum and you will get trained from industry experts. During learning tenure, you will be receiving a stipend amount. That's why they have named it as Learn and Earn. Once this training is over, internship will be provided in Geeks for Geeks in the following areas: software development, course video mentors, content creators, etc. The team allotment for the internships will be based on assessments during training and also based on your performance in the interview round. Stipend also will be provided in the internship period as well. Once you completed the internship, candidates' profile and performance will be reviewed for permanent placement with Geek for Geeks. So now there are 4 phases in this Elite batch. Phase 1 is the gateway. To clear this, you need to write an entrance test and attend the interview. Once you complete this level, you will be moved into phase 2 for learning program. That's Learn and Earn with 6 months, and also you will get a stipend. Then phase 3, you will receive an internship, which is again paid internship. Finally, you will be moved into phase 4 for full-time placement with Geeks for Geeks. Now for this program, the eligibility is 2020 and 2021 batch. For this Elite batch, phase 1 entrance test and interview will be conducted. For this entrance test, there will be 50 MCQs. It's based on aptitude, verbal and logical reasoning. The level would be easy to medium difficulty. There will be 3 coding problems given: C++, Java, Python. Any one of the programming language you can choose. And the complete instruction for coding problems contest, they have given all the details in Geeks for Geeks website. This is the link to attend the test, and the test date is on September 11, 2021, 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. That's you will be attending 2.5 hours online test. In this test, they will shortlist 100 performers and then they will be moved for the interview round. Finally, 50 candidates will be selected for this program. The final 50 shortlisted candidates will be moved into phase 2 for Learn and Earn program. Then once they completed the learning process, they will be assessed and moved into internship. Finally, they will be receiving the placement opportunity. So there is an important rule given now. So there would be a legal bond document for 2 years. So this bond period will start from your date of joining the internship. This is really a good program for 2020 and 2021 batch. You are going to get a good training with skill oriented. Even if you are not going to get into the internship also, it's fine. At least you will learn something related to tech and non-technical skills which you can apply for some other job as well. So hope this video is useful. Share it with your friends. I will come back with another video. Until then, it's me Suchi signing off from you all. Bye bye. Take care.